Pasay starts with Steve Nash Enriquez, kasama niya sa backcourt King Ortiz, Christian Fajarito, Mark Parks, and Edmond de la Cruz. Sa ilagan naman, JL De Los Santos makes his MPBL return. Dondon Gomaro, Miguel Ona, and TJ Filebrico making their debuts. Tingnan natin kung Parks sends it to Fajarito for three. Got it.
May tira talaga si Fajarito sa tres eh.
Kiss. Bigay kay Parks. Three. Yes.
That's his shot. Favorite shot of Mark Parks. Corner three.
And a fresh shot clock here for Ilagan. Hesitation move. JL with a finger roll.
Veteran move by JL De Los Santos.
Dondon to JL. Back to Art. JL for three. Yes.
Soft, steady shot by JL De Los Santos.
Art De La Cruz magbababa ng bola dito. Art. Download to Prince. Must lig his way in. Prince Rivero.
Yan yung strength ni Prince Rivero talaga playing in.
Nash sends it to Brian. One dribble pull-up. That is money para kay Brian Hilario.
Sobrang steady ni Brian Hilario na kagad eh.
Mina will fire. Yes. Number of his dad, Coach Glenn Gabayni. Nice play out of that inbound.
Very good play by the...
Strong season last year with Pasig. Oh, nice. That is a smooth looking jumper. Tapasio Pingoy. Extra pass. Mina. One dribble pull up. It's good. Well, and Ilagan Isabela is ahead. 16-10 at the end of one. Luel Briones na.
Oo.
Ibang klase din. Ang bagay na bagay sa mga MPBL na laruan.
oo. Mga ganun.
Martel goes up strong. 18. Martel, atake.
I hope it's okay.
Challenged by JL De Los Santos. The foul on J-Boy Solis. Nila the whole, all the way. Hindi nila They go to Giab against Martel. Josh Giab, pinabot ni Martel, may foul.
Hindi mo gawing 3. Pero for the...
J-Boy Solis. At least hindi sila lagi. Gonzalez lost it to De La Cruz. Art. Gonzalez recovers. Three-pointer. Yes.
Swerte sila doon. Nakakuha sila ng defensive stop.
20-18. Art. Dondon for three. Yes. Dondon Gomaro.
Another shooter. Another guard who can shoot the...
He'll launch the three and hit.
Yun na naman. Second three of the ball game by Fajarito. Talagang touch na yun eh, no?
5:57 remaining the second period. Giab again. Ang ganda ng inbound play. Uses the Fajarito pick. Nash drives inside and he flips it up and in.
First 2 points of Nash Enriquez.
I'm sure proud ka din, Coach Vic.
Oo.
De Los Santos with J-Boy finds Alan Santos. Art, extra pass. Gomaro for three. Yes.
Guard.
Enriquez to Fajarito. Three-pointer again. Paulo for three. No. De La Cruz, the one-hander. We're tied.
Favorite shot.
Mina fires. No. Tingnan natin yung nangyari dito. Labanan sa box out. Alan. With an elbow.
Welcome to the MPBL.
Yeah. Shot clock winding down for Fajarito.
Whoa!
Playing out of his mind right now. Attacks Gabaini is there for the cleanup.
Good position.
3 seconds in the shot clock. Enriquez loses it. Pajarito will fire again!
Oh!
That is. Gabaini atake and
Sa 3 points talaga eh. He's talking about this.
na meron ngayon ng Voyagers 37-32. We'll be right back.
Minamadali nila yung tira nila eh.
Parks attacks blocked by Gabaini but there's a foul.
Pino-contest ni Joseph. Bola nga.
Yeah.
Pero, syempre, iba yung kita.
Send it to Parks for 3. Oh, Gortiza with a big rebound.
Nagdiliparan yung mga bata.
To there. Special guest natin. Legend din. That's a 3 from Coco Pingoy. I'd like to thank ManiPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Coach Vic.
Yeah. Ganda nung cut ni Munmun de la Cruz doon.
Pingoy fires and he knocks down the 3. Allen. Extra pass. Coco for 3. Again.
Again, yes.
9 points in the quarter for Coco Pingoy. Gortiza takes the jumper and swishes that one through. De Los Santos, what a finish!
Breakdown on the defense of the Pasay Voyagers.
Mina is fouled while taking the 3.
Clear foul. Lagan.
Bilis na pa. Grabe din talaga yung power ng 3-point
Oo,
shot,
no.
coach.
Sabi nga kanina.
Allen Mina, 2 for 2 so far.
Just like that, lamang na sila.
Kanina pa. May mukhang nahanap na dito sa third quarter.
The third.
Advantage here. J-Boy knocks down the corner jumper. Silent Gonzalez. Crossover jumper over J-Boy in the third quarter. Nakabawi ang Cowboys. Gonzalez with a steal. And the finish. Filebrico, the alley-oop from Rivero.
Oh, what a play.
Jackson eh. Sabay pa sila pumasok eh.
Galing sa timeout, parang ganun yung dating eh.
Oh, Gonzalez making
8 points for Gonzalez.
bigat ng galaw na yun. Allen Mina steps into this three-pointer. Swak na swak.
We could see that
Bigay kay Gonzalez. 3-second differential, game clock and shot clock. Gonzalez, the Hesse. Masyadong
Whoa!
malalim yan, pero 5-star Cowboys, and they are now up by 1 going into the 4th against the Pasay Voyagers. Two teams, quarter scoring Ilagan. Better third quarter. Rivero with a drive at the bucket.
good execution by Prince Rivero. He saw the open lane, he attacked it.
I'm sure brother Richie is right there happy sa nangyari na yun.
Richie Rivero move yan ah.
Kaya nga, Marito posting up Filebrico, trying to pull the chair from Marito, pero
pero
atake si Nash, labas. Corner 3, it's good. Marito goes to work early and fouled by Prince Rivero. Ito, and wala akong narinig na kwento about Christian Marito. Gabaini puts it in off the feed by Art De La Cruz. You know the mark this time.
yeah, starting to miss now. Kailangan lagay niya ulit dun sa sa loob yung tira niya.
Great pass galing kay Allen Mina, Dondon Gomaru, Diaz, Gabaini inside.
Another good play.
Out of the timeout.
Oh, out of a timeout.
Engaged. I haven't seen him this engaged for a while now.
Second block.
Kaya
Speaking
nga,
of, di ba?
Big yung career niya, nag-Quezon siya. And did not play a lot there. Pero nakikita mo nga, iba yung galaw niya ngayon.
inspired basketball ang binibigay sa kanya. Nang binibigay ni Joseph Gabayni ngayon.
Oh,
Look
yan
at that! Look at that! Speaking of Joseph Gabayni,
Head by 5. Nabitawan ni Gonzalez. De La Cruz picks it up. And a layup.
favorite shot by Munmun de la Cruz. Oh, off leg.
A little too casual there. Oh!
Oh!
JL!
Hinabol eh.
Playoffs. Playoffs chase down block
Okay.
pa. Look at that.
Linis oh. Inspired basketball pinapakita ng Isabela Cowboys. And look at Coach Glenn Capang. Combination niya dito sa ball game na to eh.
Enriquez gets it to Gonzalez for 3.
Wow.
We're
Good pass
tied.
by Nash Enriquez.
Solis blocked by Martel. De La Cruz. Just cut.Aka dyan, coach. 2 for 2 for Art. Nash from downtown. It's good.
I have that feeling na titira ni Nash talaga.
Enriquez for 3. Yes!
Another big shot by Nash Enriquez.
JL gambled on the steal. And Nash Enriquez lines up the 3 and knocks it down.
Ano niya talaga eh. Talagang favorite shot niya.
8 seconds on the shot clock. Nash, yeah, again!
Yeah, I think Isabela needs to foul.
What a show of particularly this guy. Ito si Nash Enriquez. He picked the right time to take over. And what a spectacular show.
Ano na eh. He really is like that even in games. Pag nag-umpisa na siya, once he starts making his shots, tuloy-tuloy na yan.
And the Voyagers with a 76-69 win over the Cowboys here at the Paco Arena. And we're just waiting for our best player interview right here. Ang bigat ng mga binitawan ni Nash Enriquez. Ang maganda lang dito, if you're Ilagan, at least medyo nakita mo na kung ano
Oo.
ang mga kombinasyon para sa'yo moving forward. Sa Pasay naman, things are looking good.
Yes. Tsaka ano lang yun, for Coach Louie Gonzalez, he just trying to get the feel of the game for you.
Steve Nash, congratulations on this win. Dikitan lang tayo and you were literally having a difficult time o nagsastruggle ka in the first 3 quarters. Pero pagdating ng clutch moments, 4th quarter, bigla ka nagpairal ng maraming 3-pointers. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Ano lang po, ang sobrang ano ko kasi grateful ko na mayroon akong ganitong coaching staff sila Coach Marlon na kumbaga binibigyan kaming kumpiyansa na laruin kung ano yung judgment namin sa loob ng court. So sa first 3 quarters, yun lang, kumbaga point guard naman ako eh, diba? Para sa akin hindi naman ako nagsa-struggle kasi kumbaga yung mga pasa ko lang nasi-shoot yung mga field goals ko pero yun lang, swerte ako, thank God na pumapasok yung tira ko sa 4th quarter. And yun nga, hindi naman dahil sa akin yun eh. Dahil kay Lord yun. Kasi binigyan niya akong lakas na yun nga, ma-shoot ko yung mga tira ko.
Nash, sabi mo sa akin, ito na yung reality mo, experience mo dito sa ating preseason.
Kumbaga, yun nga, kagabi pa lang, kumbaga, di pa rin ako makapaniwala na kumbaga, pinapangarap ko lang to dati. Hindi ko akalain na makapaglaro akong pro dito sa Manila. And yun nga, by the grace of the Lord, nandito ako ngayon, na-share ko yung talent ko sa ibang tao. At hindi lang dito sa Manila, kundi sa buong Pilipinas na. And yun, thank God na nanalo kami ngayon. And because of him, nakuha namin yung panalo. And props sa mga coaches namin, tsaka mga kakampi ko.